Hi guys! In today's video we will be doing this sparkly pink mermaid custom doll. I don't really know why, but I've been wanting to make a pink glitter mermaid for quite a while, and then I finally found the right glitter on eBay, so here we are. As the base of this project, I used a second-hand bought Watercolor doll. For the face up, start by removing the hair and also the face. Prime the face with the Mr. Super Clear spray, then get out your tools for the repaint. I use a few watercolor pencils, a bit of pink mica powder and some pastels. I wanted a slightly round and quite sweet and simple looking eye, since I would be sticking glitter and stuff onto the face later, so I kept it rather simple, starting by sketching out the shape of the eyes and then adding the little fold above them. My idea for this repaint was basically to keep it monochrome, so I wanted everything to be some shade of pink. So that included the eyes, the shading and stuff like that. But obviously if you think that's a bit too much, you can shift up the colors. To give the eye shimmer, I used a bit of water mixed with mica powder and dabbed this on. For the lips, I just used chalk pastel because it gives a nice and soft look. So this was the first layer, then I sealed it with the spray can, let it dry and started working on top. To get more opaque colors quicker, I used the watercolor effect of my pencils. I shaded the temples and cheeks quite heavily because I knew I wanted to add pink glitter onto that to be kind of scales, so that's why I went pretty heavy on it. And that's how far I got in the second layer. I only added very faint lashes to the bottom lash line because I'll be gluing on 3D lashes later. Add the final touches like highlights in the eyes and then seal the doll a final time. Then I glued on some doll eyelashes, which I cut to size, and then glazed the eyes. Now we're ready to add the glitter. I dabbed on a bit of glue to stick the glitter on there. For the hair, I used this pink viscose hair that I got off eBay a while ago and glued it onto the head. Then I added a bit of pearls, mini beads and some golden shells, which I also glued onto her face because I glued them onto the body later as well. So just to make everything go together, but you can skip it if you think it's a little too much. I figured for a mermaid to be this decorated, she kinda had to be royalty, so I decided to make a little tiara. And I reused an old Watercolor necklace by cutting off the bottom and then gluing on the same decorations as I did on the face. Now onto the body. The first thing I did was to remove the legs. Then I took some Polymer clay and conditioned it into a ball so I can roll out this long cone shape. Then you want to cut a slit in the top so you can insert the doll body. And I protected the body using a bit of kitchen film because you don't want to get raw clay on it, on the plastic, because it kind of dissolves it. So then you want to smooth the two together so the shape inside this hole in the tail matches the doll's body. And then you can gently ease it out and then it's ready to bake. Then I use a bit of liquid clay to add on some additional clay to the hip area of the doll just to round it out. Then roll out some clay to form the fins. Once the tail has baked and cooled, then you want to file any uneven areas and glue the doll in place. Using acrylic paint, I painted the tail a base color. I also painted up the doll's body to the point where I wanted the scale/glitter to extend to. Then you can stick on the glitter. To avoid the glitter shedding and spreading everywhere, then seal it in with glaze. Then I added on the same embellishments that I did on the face. Reassemble the doll, and then a mermaid is ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed this project. Let me know if you have any other requests for fairy tale creatures and such you'd like to see me make. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in a new one real soon. Bye!